Here at Express, we set the benchmark for showrooms within the home improvement industry. Our flagship showroom in Leeds is unlike any other showroom in the UK, with full-size show homes built inside. We followed that theme across all of our showrooms, with London's most extensive glazing showroom located in Weybridge, and our Glasgow showroom, which is unlike any other venue in Scotland.
And now, we've opened our Milton Keynes showroom, which is an inspirational and unique space unlike any other showroom in the Midlands or home counties. The products displayed here in Milton Keynes are expertly manufactured in our world-class production facility in Leeds, and we can offer every glazing product required, from the front doors of a property through to the large format glazing required on the back. Our core product offering is displayed throughout the showroom, with bifold doors shown in various opening configurations, panel sizes and colours. We have a moving corner post bifold on display, plus the different systems within our range, along with integral blind options and various methods to create the popular steel look, including our heritage sash with built-in transoms.
Sliding doors can transform any space, and here visitors can see minimal sightline sliding doors, virtually frameless sliding doors and lift and slide doors on both twin track and triple track setups. There are also unique options like our monorail track sliding door and glass to glass corner solution. We even have the largest sliding door ever installed into one of our showrooms.
We have roof lanterns, flat skylights and inset roofs integrated throughout several of the displays, all of which can be viewed from below or uniquely from above. Windows are on view throughout the showroom, installed into the building itself and within the various room sets. These include casement windows, tilt and turn windows, picture windows and shaped windows, as well as specialist solutions like our oriel bay window, slim sightline curtain walling and structural glazing. If you're looking for a front door, then you need to visit us here in Milton Keynes. We show our full range of entry-level signature doors and our beautiful XP 77 range, through to our premium range and statement pivot doors. The front doors are displayed in different colours and styles, from classic designs through to ultra-modern. You can also explore the unique finishes we offer, from wood grain veneers, stone and concrete finishes, through to steel-plated finishes. And you can check out our biometric options, including integrated light features and push-button operation. Our team can talk through your ideas and plans and show you real examples to offer a true perspective of how each door and window will look, feel and operate within your home. We manufacture beautiful products that play a key role in the design and functionality of beautiful homes. So we think it's really important that we display them in the best and most extensive settings possible. Seeing our Milton Keynes showroom will really open your eyes to the potential of your home and the beautiful spaces that can be created with Express. You can explore the showroom and directly compare all the products within our range, debate the different features and benefits, and find the perfect solutions for you. Whether you're renovating, extending, or building from new, see the quality for yourself in an immersive atmosphere that shows our products in their true light.